back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. I know a lot of you enjoyed my what I eat in a week video, so I thought I would do kind of another version of that today. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm starting my day off. I just got back from a walk with my dog, so I look a little rough, but I'm gonna make myself a coffee because it's really hot and I really need it. And then yeah, we'll see where the day takes me. It's currently 11:49, so not the earliest start to my day, but yeah, I'm gonna make my coffee and then maybe in a bit I'll have lunch. Hello, it's now 12:45. I just took a shower, so that's why my hair is wet. I'm a little hungry, so I'm heating up this fried rice that we got from Captain's Boil last night. This is the fried rice. It has like shrimp and scallop, and it's really good. I highly recommend if you go to Captain's Boil. Yeah, and while I eat this, I'm gonna be watching How to Get Away with Murder. The show is really stressful, but it's pretty fun to watch. So yeah, I'll be watching this while I eat.
You knew that her marriage was a fraud, just like the defendant herself. Nothing further.
I chose you as my first appeal because you were trustworthy.
I am.
You never told me.
I just finished lunch and I got a notification that a package came in, so I thought I would unbox it with you guys. It's a package from Yesstyle. I ordered this, I want to say about a month ago, so it came relatively quickly. I honestly forgot what I ordered, but we'll find out when I open this package. It's very heavy. I don't think I ordered any clothes, but I think I ordered mostly skincare stuff. Okay. Okay, the first thing that I got was the Kiss Me Heroin brush tip eyeliner in brown. I tried some other brush tip eyeliners, but they just weren't very good, and I remember I used this one before and it lasted me a long time, and it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but I definitely think it's worth like spending the money on for like the quality. So yeah, that's the first thing I got, and everything else is like in this huge plastic bag, or bubble wrap, I mean. I got some samples. So there's an I'm From Vitamin Fruit Serum. There's a hyaluronic acid cream. This one is from a brand called Aromatica. I've never heard of it. And another brand I've never heard of. This is the Skin 1004. So like 1004, if you say it in Korean, it's Chunsa, which means angels. I'm guessing Skin Angel. This is a cleansing oil with centella. Okay, the next thing I got was this Sur 100 collagen coating protein ion injection. So it's like for your hair. I don't know, I forget if it's a mask or if it's okay, yeah, so it's like a leave-in treatment. So, and I heard that it was really good for like damaged hair, and I just bleached my hair and I need like some sort of like treatment for it. So I got this. The next thing I got is the I'm From Rice toner. I really like this toner. It's really moisturizing and it doesn't like irritate my skin. And yeah, I mean, we're kind of reaching the end of the summer, so I figured I would get something that's better for like a drier climate. And it's been really dry here for some reason, so yeah. What is this? I don't know if I ordered this or if I got it as a free gift or something, but it says something about going green and Yesstyle's 15th anniversary. Oh, okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. Okay. So it's like a roll-up set and it has like cutlery. So it has a spoon and a fork. And then it also has a metal straw with a cleaning brush, which is actually really good because I needed a metal straw. And the last thing I got is this item. I got it sent to me for free from Yesstyle because I'm a Yesstyle influencer. If you want to use my code, I'll leave it on the screen. It doesn't give you that much of a discount, but you know, it's still a discount is a discount. So this is a product I got sent to me. It's the CosRx Propolis Light Ampule. I've heard good things about this product, so when I saw that I could, you know, get it, I was pretty excited. It's very nice. I know like propolis and honey is like good for your skin, and I never really knew how to get into it, but I feel like a serum would be the best way to incorporate it. So I'm very excited to try this. I want to kind of test out the consistency. It comes in a dropper like this. Oh, wow. It's very thick. Doesn't have a smell. It's very thick, as you can see. And it feels, wow, it feels really nice and thick and moisturizing, but it doesn't feel sticky. Like it's absorbing into my skin really quickly. Yeah, no smell. And yeah, I'm excited to keep using this and see kind of what kind of benefits I'll get from it. But yeah, that's it for everything I got from Yesstyle. Again, if you want to use my code, feel free to. If not, no big deal. And yeah, I'll see you the next time I eat. Hello, it is now 5:30. I'm in between classes for work right now, so I'm just trying to have a snack because I'm kind of hungry. I'm heating up leftover fries from Captain Spoil last night in the air fryer, so that's why it's so loud, but hopefully they can kind of reheat within the next 5 minutes because I have a class at 5:45. Hello, it is 9 o'clock. My hair looks not okay because I just got back from a bike ride. I'm a little hungry. I didn't have time to eat earlier because of work, but wow, I'm really sweaty. I kind of want to eat something now, so I think I'm gonna make 돼지불고기, which is like a spicy pork dish. And yeah, I think I'm gonna have that with like 깻잎 to make like some, and maybe with some onion and kimchi. Okay, so this is my dinner. I heated up some rice, and this is 깻잎. I think it's like perilla leaf. So this is what I'm gonna wrap everything in. I have some kimchi, and I have my 돼지불고기. This is a lot, but I just made enough so that I'll have leftovers for like tomorrow or something. Yeah, I just pretty much heated up a pre-made thing with. I just added onions because I like onions. And yeah, I'll be eating this while watching How to Get Away with Murder again. So yeah. Before I watch my show, I wanted to show you how I make my sum. So I'm gonna have a little bit of rice, not too much, on here. And then I'm gonna add a piece of meat, and then an onion, and then one piece of kimchi, and then it doesn't wrap up very nicely because my 깻잎 is so small, but this is so good. Go eat some like this if you like this kind of stuff.
Come on.
Okay, it is now almost 10 p.m. I finished my dinner and now I'm gonna have dessert. So I'm having this ice cream. It's called bongta in Korean. It's not the original flavor. I'm not sure what flavor it is. My mom just bought it, so I'm gonna be trying it out right now. Okay, so how you eat this ice cream is you are supposed to, like that. You take off the top. It's almost like a slushie. I think it's like melon flavor. I really don't know. I think it's melon flavor, but it's really good. It's like a slushie inside. And yeah, it's just like a childhood favorite ice cream of mine. So I'm gonna eat this while finishing up this episode.